Okay, this is number 2. Notice that these are dealing with all the exterior angles, but there's no calculation here because the idea is that the total exterior will always have to add up to 360 degrees. That is always true. All right, so you can set up this equation: 90 plus 60 plus x plus 46 plus 73 is equal to 360 degrees. Combine some like terms here: 90 plus 60 plus 46 plus 43, that is 269. 269 plus x is equal to 360 minus 269 from both sides. You get x is equal to 360 minus 269, you get 91. Right? B, same thing here. The total sum, the total exterior angles have to add up to 360. So it's 89 plus 3x plus 116 plus 92 has to be equal to 360 degrees. Let's combine some like terms. 89 plus 116 plus 92, that gets you 297. So 3x plus 297 is equal to 360. You minus 297 to both sides, you get 3x is equal to 63. Divide by 3, you get x is equal to 21. Okay. C, x plus 110 is equal to 360. 2x plus 110 is equal to 360. Minus 110, you get 2x is equal to 250. Divide by 2, you get x is equal to 125. There you go. That is how you solve for the variable using the exterior angles, knowing that the exterior angles all add up to 360 degrees.